second package. All right, y'all help me open it up. Let's see what it is. I have no idea what we got here. Ooh, they all kind of come in their own little baggies. So it says Buenos Niños. It is a turtleneck bodysuit. And this one is a high waist short skirt. So let's get into it. I love this. It looks so good. So I just opened the bag. I'm taking it out now. I got it in a medium. Ooh, look at that. With the little see-through arms. Beautiful turtleneck. And it is bodysuit style. So you just clamp it right there at the bottom. And then we are going to pair that with, oh y'all, this mini skirt is so freaking cute. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I can't wait to try this on. This is the perfect date night outfit. Just perfect. And I love the material. So y'all have got to check out Buenos Niños on Amazon. I'm gonna put their link down in the comment section below, also in the description section below. Y'all, this is great material and it's completely affordable. It's not expensive at all. Wait till y'all see me get in this. Too cute. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is the shirt, turtleneck with the little polka dotted sleeves. And again, remember I told you guys it is a bodysuit, so it's a complete bodysuit all the way around. This is the mini skirt. It's pleated, has great length and great coverage. For those of us who have a little extra on the back end, it does cover in the back. I have it currently paired with some Taha boots. So, drop my lens. But overall, I like it. I think it looks good. Make sure that you guys go to Amazon and go to Buenos Niños store and you guys start shopping with them because this material is phenomenal. It feels great on me. I love it and I think you guys will too. So remember Buenos Niños on Amazon store and the link will be down below in the description. What's up y'all? So as you saw, I want y'all to go and support Buenos Niños. But let's get into this video. So what you're gonna see is like several things that have been happening because, you know, we disappeared for a little while off of YouTube. So I'm gonna catch y'all up. School's ending and we've been out on the water a lot. So that's what you're gonna see today. But how about you go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified. Go ahead and do it right now. What are you waiting on? Let's go. Let's get into this video, y'all. Get into it. So, y'all, it's my last day at work. I'm sitting in my school's lobby waiting to turn in my paperwork so that I can leave. I've been waiting for... I got here at 8. I had to do some paperwork upstairs, but I've literally been waiting like on... almost 30 minutes for my boss to show up so I can give her my stuff so I can leave. Miss ma'am, I'm ready to go. I want to start my summer. I'm so tired, y'all. So D and I are out in Fort Walton. We were renting our boat out and hit us up on getmyboat.com if you want to rent our boat. Anyway, so we were waiting on our guests and we went ahead to Publix and we got some crab legs and some shrimp and a bowl, and we kind of made us some
Dipping sauce
minus the butter. These are some crab legs we haven't tried before. They're called Tanner crab legs, and they're huge. Babe, lift yours up like the thing. They're huge, and they are so freaking good.
They're good.
Like, so freaking good.
I usually only eat snow crab, but these right here, they got a lot of meat.
And we don't got these back home.
As far as we know.
As far as we know, yeah. Might be something we might have to look into. Get on those Tanner crabs.
They rented the boat out for 9 hours, and we didn't figure out anything to do until like 2 hours before they're supposed to be back.
Yeah.
We basically just sat in the truck. We walked around a little bit, but this is a trial run. We'll know what to do next time.
But it's pretty out here. Look at this.
Oh, the kids would have a blast. Next time, if we rent the boat while the kids are here,
We wouldn't be able to bring a lot of kids in the truck.
there's a lot of stuff they can do.
Yeah. So Dee made an investment and got a new trailer to go on the back of his truck. It's gonna turn out to be great for advertising the boat and for when he does his side work.
Long trips, whatever.
So this is what it looks like. It's very nice. It's got vents in it, so the stuff in here can breathe. And the back door lets down as well. Terry, turn around and say hey.
Mama, hey y'all.
Nobody messed you up. You weren't catching a dang thing anyways. He wasn't catching nothing. This is how we spend Memorial Day. Mama's catching turtles.
Mama ain't caught nothing.
I know, because that turtle that's where the turtle went.
Caught as an attitude.
Y'all look at Jackson Brown.
Why is his last name Brown?
He's got his t-shirt on.
Everybody looks
Hey,
for
Mama.
things. Look at
You fishing with no cricket.
She's fishing with nothing on her hook at all.
There's no bait on
There's
that.
some hungry fucking fish out here. They want a hook.
I gotta edit out her F-bomb. Now it's Dad's turn. Get on the boat from the front. You're not finna get all this wet back here where I'm at. I don't want to be wet. He was wanting to get on the boat from back here. I told him I don't want to be wet. Get on the boat from that way. came up for air. So Daniel and I are at Crab Island. We're with some people who have rented our boat out. We're driving them around, but I am on my way to the general store to get us something to drink, and then I'll head back to the boat, which our boat is back there. You see it? It's a real pretty day. Water's cold though, really cold. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and hit that notification bell.
Until then, we're raising 9. See you next time.